what's up? I hope you guys are keeping well and safe. I'm Gaurika Rathi, a content creator and a budding designer. And today I'm here to talk to you guys about something very important and very basic at the same time. Now that is how you can style your basics from your wardrobe in different ways. Now before I actually get into the video, I just want to talk to you guys about few things here. Now basic for me is something, it's a very sustainable garment, and it can actually be styled in different ways without spending a lot. Now there's a myth that people highly believe in, that you can only look fancy or classy when you wear some expensive garment, or you invest into something that's very luxurious. But I quite don't agree to it, because I feel you can actually look fancy and classy all at the same time without spending a bomb if you style it right. So today I've come up with Cicerone, and they've asked me to style 5 of my basic essentials from my wardrobe in different ways, be it an office look, a lunch look, or a dinner date. So here we go. First piece of clothing has to be a nice crisp white shirt. I cannot emphasize on this one fact enough, because I feel white shirt is something very versatile. It can be styled in a number of ways.
So in my first look, I've basically layered my white shirt over a crop top with my checkered pants and my checkered ballerinas to complete the entire look. In the second look, since I'm a huge fan of crochet, so I went ahead with this and layered it over my white shirt and completed the entire look with a pair of heels. Boho and monochrome is my absolute favorite, and it's perfect for a dinner date. It looks equally elegant and rich.
I think denim is something, it can literally change the entire look. It can up your game. Different type of denims that exist in the market. It can be mom jeans, it can be skinny jeans, it can be bell bottoms. You can style it by understanding your body type.
Since I'm a short-heighted girl, I always make sure to stick to my bell bottoms, as it makes me look a little taller, and hence created a Friday formals by layering a sleeveless blazer with it. Second look is my absolute favorite. I love fusion, so I went ahead with a nice indigo printed top and layered it with my bell bottoms, and to complete the look I made sure to layer it with a nice silver choker. Now this look is perfect for a night date, because I think the colors are looking beautiful, the whole combination looks stunning, and since I also wanted to create drama with sleeves, so I went ahead with this top as well and completed the entire look with nice statement jewelry.
Okay, so next we have in the list is investing into some comfortable t-shirts.
First look kept it really simple, just styled it with a pair of culottes and styled the same look with a blazer and created a Friday formal look. Stripes make you look taller, and having it in jumpsuit is a win-win. I think it's a very comfortable look for a day out and a very playful look all at the same time. I did not really stick myself here to a white t-shirt. I wanted to show variety here, so hence went ahead with a grey t-shirt and created a pattern here by layering it with nice gold bag and gold jewelry.
Now something that is fun and professional both at the same time, for me that has to be blazer.
So I'm someone who is obsessed with blazers. So first look is basically a monochromatic look. So in this first look, I'm styling a wraparound blazer with a similar color skirt, and it looks absolutely stunning and is perfect for a corporate event dinner. Now this look is perfect for all my boho girls out there. This is so comfortable and so easy to carry around. Just get your one dress out and layer it with a similar tone blazer. I completed the entire look by wearing my favorite kolhapuris. This look is perfect for all my college people. It's very chill and very casual at the same time. You're just wearing a baggy jeans and layering it with a blazer. Third look is very sexy and very peppy at the same time. I mean, guys, I literally wore the most boring dress I have in my wardrobe, and I completed the look with this fancy blazer, and look at the whole outfit. I mean, wow.
So next we have is a beautiful classic timeless piece. Now that is a black dress.
Now for this particular look, I was very sure I have to style this with my accessories, hence went ahead with a scarf and created a very nice formal look. Now this look is literally my absolute favorite. I love how this shirt has uplifted my entire garment, and it is just perfect for a dinner date, and it's just so beautiful all at the same time. You don't have to, go over the top. You just can layer a nice printed piece of shirt and you're good to go.
Okay, now that we have come to an end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, but before I actually finish the entire video, I want to mention about two important things apart from confidence. And the first important thing is to invest into like the right kind of lingerie, because I feel if done right, it can actually enhance your confidence. It can make you look even more sexier than you actually are. And second is, guys, since we are in this COVID-19 situation, we need to understand why it is important to make mask as our daily essential, as a wardrobe essential video. And I hope you guys enjoy it. In case you guys did, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite look. Thank you.